Hello and welcome to part one of this sort of like a walkthrough, but also as a code along as we do this massive open online course for Python hosted by the University of Helsinki. They have this huge library of college level courses in various topics. I'm more interested in their tech related courses. You can see here they have a bunch of courses on programming. This is an introductory course on programming using Python. Then they have an advanced version with Python. And at the end of these courses, when you take them, you do earn certificates, which is really cool. This is all free. You can do it on your own pace, at your own time. It's all self-paced. And you can find it by visiting this link called mooc.fi/en/courses. I'll put this link in the description. Also, I should say welcome to the channel where I basically just do programming videos. Sometimes I do courses and I walk people along these courses. I have a background in working as a software engineer. I have a degree in computer science, and I have working experience with programming in Java, JavaScript, TypeScript. Um, a little bit of experience with Python, but not that much. I have experience working with C++, some experience with a few other languages like Ruby, but again, that's neither here nor there. But since I got laid off, I haven't really programmed, let alone touched a computer in I think almost a little over half a year. So I'm just kind of getting back into the swing of things. So I figured I'd do like a little bit of a refresher. And I think this course is really, really good. It's really extensive. Again, it's college level, so the material is really good. The content is really good. So I encourage anybody who wants to learn how to program to, um, do something like this. I think this might be a really cool thing for you to do if you want to learn how to program. And I feel like with the advent of, well, I guess not really the advent anymore, but with the expansion of AI and coding agents and what do they call it now? Agentic coding, where you use these coding agents to AI agents to code or to create websites and apps or whatever. I just want to kind of get back into the basics of things and then just work my way back up and see where we land. But this will be me walking through this course. So if you're interested in following along, again, I really recommend it. It's super simple. You go to this link. Again, it'll be in the description. You scroll down until you find the course. You click on it, and you sign up. And it's straightforward to sign up. You get an email to confirm that you are who you say you are, and then you can just get started. Once you confirm who you are, again, you get access to this, which is the test my code sublink. So there will be assignments that you do throughout the course, like exercises. Once you learn the content and then you get to practice it, and then you submit that code over here, and it gets evaluated if it's correct or if the program that you write works and passes its test cases. You get points and you can move on to the next exercises and do those challenges as well. So it's really, 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 really extensive. Like I said before, it's college level stuff. And this is the most recent iteration. And they do also have exams that you can take along as you're doing this course. And I'll read all that material in the next video. But this is sort of the introduction to this. So if you want to stick around and do this with me, it'll be really, really fun to get back into the swing of things in the world of programming to see just how much things have changed. But yeah, welcome aboard, and I hope you guys join me along this journey as I get back into the swing of things with programming, as well as just getting comfortable making videos again. So it's going to be a lot to learn. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.